In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace. So first log into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, head over to Audience. Then click on Create Form. Then here scroll down and look for Embedded Form. Then click on it. So first add in your form name. Then select your audience and click on Continue to Builder. Now start creating or customizing your form. In the left panel, you have options that will help you customize your form. So open up form fields, and here you can enable fields to add them in your form or layout. You can also drag them to reposition by order. Just click on this button just beside the fields to drag them upwards or downwards. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can click on the continue button. Now copy the HTML embed code provided by Mailchimp. Just click on the copy code button. Next in the new tab, head over to squarespace.com and of course log into your account. The next is edit the page where you want the sign up form to be. So here we created the sample page dedicated for our sign up form. Now here click on the edit button, then click on add section, and we're gonna add blank. Then next is click on add block, and now look for code. So now here what you're gonna do is copy the code that MailChimp provided for us and paste it here. Next is make necessary adjustments so you can drag to reposition your form. And once done, click on the Save button at the top left. From there, try testing the form by entering a sample email address. The contact should then automatically appear in your MailChimp audience. Now that subscribers are being collected from your website, you can send newsletters, promotions, or automated emails from MailChimp. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!